Hmm?
No, no, no.
Oops.
Hmm.
Oh, no, 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 no. There's only one treasure. Only one.
Yes!
Whoa!
Oh my God!
Ha! Ah! Huh. Ow!
Ooh.
Arr! Arr! Ha! Huh! Huh! Wow! 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 Hooray! Let's open it! Oh, yeah! Stop! By hand!
Aha! Ouch! Oh!
Hi! Check what I have!
Woo!
It's showing right there! Wow! Time for treasure! Let's open it! Wow! It looks like a jungle! Look, when you flip it over, it's just a jungle. And when you flip it sideways, and you have to put in the water for 30 seconds, then you take it off. Okay, let's go underwater. This one goes over here. Then this one goes over here. Then the big piece goes over here.
Yippee! Yay!
We have to get more. Wow. Let's keep it clean.
Cool!
Ready, set, go. It's something green. You can see it. Oh my god. Wow, they saw that? Wow. Whoa! A lot of pieces falling down. This is a axe. Now we're gonna take the egg. Oh my god. This is some more pink, and it's for the egg. Wow!
Yee-hee-yah!
His name is Gold Edge, and this is his weapon.
Aha!
Let's put it on. That's him. Open this. Wow. This is how it looks like. And this is the tool what we have to use to open it. Wow. Wow. It is a mysterious mosquito.
Wow!
And that's what I got.
Ooh la la.